This morning, as I go about my daily chores, I'm reminded of the beauty of simple, faithful homemaking. Our homes are more than just walls, they are places where faith grows, love is nurtured, and peace dwells. To every homemaker watching this, you are building more than a house. You are shaping a home, a refuge, a place of love. Keep going, keep serving, keep finding joy in the simple things. The world may not see it, but there is beauty in the simple work of a homemaker. The quiet moments of preparing, cleaning, and tending to the home are not just chores, they are acts of love, service, and devotion. Some days homemaking feels repetitive, like the work never ends. You keep doing the same thing over and over every other day. As I gather firewood, I think about every small task contributes to a peaceful home. But every task, no matter how small, has meaning when done with a heart of purpose. Whether gathering firewood, washing dishes, or tending to the garden, these are moments of care and provision. You are not just managing a home, you are creating a place of warmth, faith, and love. A homemaker's work is hidden but powerful. It shapes the atmosphere of the home. Instead of seeing tasks as burdens, we can see them as a form of worship and gratitude. Homemaking is an opportunity to serve with joy and not obligation. When we embrace them with a grateful heart, even the simplest tasks become opportunities for joy and fulfillment. A home that runs smoothly doesn't happen by accident. It is built through consistency and care. Waking up early, keeping our surroundings neat, and managing our time wisely helps us create a space of peace and order. Routine isn't about strict rules. It's about creating rhythms that bring ease and stability. Discipline teaches us to stay committed even when we don't feel like it. In time, these habits shape not just our homes, but also our hearts, teaching patience, diligence, and responsibility. When we approach our days with structure, we avoid unnecessary stress and our families thrive in an environment of love, peace, and stability. The little things we do daily shape the kind of home and life we are building. There is something deeply rewarding about maintaining order in our homes. A clean kitchen means we can prepare meals with ease. A well-organized space means we spend less time searching for things and more time enjoying our home. And when our homes are in order, our minds feel clearer, our hearts feel lighter. We can focus on the things that truly matter: our faith, our family, and the purpose God has placed in our hearts. So today, as I move from one task to another, I choose to embrace the beauty of structure, the strength of discipline, and the joy that comes from a well kept home. And I encourage you to do the same. Start with one small habit. Commit to it daily and watch how it transforms not just your home, but your life. Whether it's folding laundry, organizing the cabinets, or just making a cup of tea, let's choose to find joy in the work of our hands. Let's remember that our service, however small, is an act of love that echoes beyond what we can see. As I finish up my tasks, I remind myself that homemaking is not just about the work. It's about the heart behind it. A home is not just made with bricks and furniture. It is shaped by the love and care we pour into it. Serving with joy is a choice. It's easy to feel exhausted, especially when the work seems never ending. Dishes pile up, laundry never really stops, and there is always something that needs to be done. But in the moments, I remind myself I'm not just cleaning, cooking, or organizing. I am serving. I am creating a home where love dwells, where my family finds comfort, and where faith is lived out daily. A joyful heart in service doesn't mean we never feel tired. It means we recognize the deeper purpose behind what we do. When we serve with love, even the simplest tasks become meaningful. Preparing a meal is no longer just cooking, it is nourishing those we love. Cleaning the home isn't just a chore, it is creating an environment of peace and order. Proverbs 31 describes a woman who works willingly with her hands, who rises while it is still night to provide for her household. She is not praised for perfection, but for her diligence, her kindness, and her willingness to serve with love. That is what truly matters. Not how fancy our homes look, but how much warmth and care they hold. When we shift our perspective from duty to devotion, from obligation to offering, we begin to see the beauty in our role as homemakers. Instead of feeling burdened, we start to feel blessed. Blessed that we have a home to care for, loved ones to serve, and a hand that can work. And the truth is, the attitude we bring into our work sets the tone for our homes. A joyful heart fills the house with peace. A willing spirit turns ordinary moments into sacred ones. Our children, our husbands, and even ourselves, we can feel the difference when things are done in love rather than in frustration. So today I choose joy. I choose to see my work not as a burden, but as a gift to my family, a gift to myself, and a gift to the Lord. Because in serving with a joyful heart, we are not just building a home, we are building a legacy of love, peace, and faith. And I invite you to do the same. Let's serve with joy. Let's embrace our role not with exhaustion, but with enthusiasm. And let's create homes that are not just tidy, but filled with love, grace, and the presence of God. If this message encouraged you, like this video, subscribe, and share how you find joy in homemaking. Let's create homes full of faith and joy together. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.